In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test in Klaviyo. So, if you're ready to boost your email marketing performance, let's dive right in. Starting from the Klaviyo homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the campaign section of the site. The first thing you'll need to do is locate and click on the Campaigns tab. It's quick, easy, and gets you right to where you need to be. Once you're there, you'll see a comprehensive list of your campaigns laid out before you. Take a moment to assess which of these campaigns you'd like to conduct an A/B test on. Choosing the right campaign is crucial, as this allows for optimization and improved results based on actual data. After you've identified the campaign, you'll notice 3 dots symbolizing more options. Click on these, and then proceed by selecting Edit Campaign. You'll then find yourself in the editing view for your chosen campaign. Next, you'll see an option at the top part of the screen labeled Edit. That's your target, so go ahead and click on that. This is where you can shift gears creatively and add blocks like text, images, videos, and more. Crafting engaging content here is vital since this is what your audience will interact with. Once you've tailored the content to your liking, it's time to move forward by clicking Next. At this stage, you'll encounter the option to Create A/B Test. Click on this button as it will lead you into the testing phase. Here is where the magic happens. You have the opportunity to choose what specific elements you'd like to test. One popular option is the subject line, as this can have a significant impact on open rates. Moreover, you'll also need to specify the metric you wish to track. This is key to understanding how different variations perform in your test. After you have set up your A/B test criteria, look for the Next button and click on it. This action will bring you to the final stages of your A/B testing setup. Now you're faced with an important decision. You can choose to schedule your campaign to send at a later date, which is particularly useful if you want to time your emails strategically. Or, if you're ready, you can send it out immediately. Both options have their own benefits depending on your marketing strategy, and that's it. You've just learned how to set up and execute an A/B test in Klaviyo. This process not only helps you understand more about what content resonates best with your audience, but also improves the overall effectiveness of your email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.